Right dedication is to dedicate your meritorious actions of body, speech, and mind to the enlightenment of all beings, beginning with those who have harmed you and created obstacles for you. If you share with all beings the merit of a practice or positive action, that merit will last until you reach enlightenment, just as a drop of water that you put into the ocean will never dry up for as long as the ocean remains. But if you neglect to share the merit, it is like pouring a drop of water on a hot stone. It evaporates right away. Or it is like a seed that bears fruit once and then dies. If you fail to seal your merit with authentic dedication, then however vast the offerings and positive actions you have performed may be, their results can only be ephemeral and vulnerable to the destructive effects of your negative emotions, such as anger, pride, and jealousy.